Welcome to the future of manufacturing. Imagine having a system that not only understands your production needs, but also optimizes them in real time. With our AI-powered platform, you get a smart assistant at your fingertips. Meet Ask AI, your personal productivity booster. Simply click the Ask AI button and ask any question. Need to know which work orders to tackle first? Just type it in. Our AI instantly analyzes your data and provides clear, actionable recommendations. It's like having an expert guide you through every step. Encounter a problem? Our AI has got you covered. From diagnosing sensor issues to providing step-by-step solutions, it leverages the collective expertise of all your technicians. Not only does it solve problems, but it also explains its reasoning, ensuring you understand the why behind every recommendation. Join us for an exclusive webinar to see how AI can transform your manufacturing operations. Register now and take the first step towards a smarter, more efficient future. Don't miss out. Click the link to register and unlock the full potential of AI in your manufacturing process.